Hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I want to take a moment here and share with you a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX model that has just arrived. We actually just a few days ago took the shrink wrap off this boat when it came from the factory. It's in this beautiful, really light gray color. There's a lot of neat features on this boat. It also point out that it has the matching Sea Ray trailer that goes with this boat. That's just how this boat came from the factory. So let's climb aboard and look at it closer. Okay, here we are aboard this 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX model, brand new, just arrived. I'm standing here on the rear swim platform and notice the sea deck that came from the factory to match the color of the boat. This is real nice when you're hanging out and you're swimming. This is super soft to touch to the feet. It is powered with a Mercury 150 4-stroke motor. Plenty of power for this boat. Note it does have the ski tow pylon here in the back, and you can see that it does have this sea deck there on the boarding ladder, as well as through the transom walkway here area. And I really like the way they have this step down step here that also has the sea deck on it as well. But while I'm here in the cockpit area, look at this huge sun lounge. You can literally lay out here or just sit on it if you like. But because this is the outboard version, folks, look at the storage down here. You can literally put a person down there and close this thing up. Not that you want to do that, but you can store all your gear down here, life vests and your rafts, tubes and whatnot, as well as in the in-floor ski locker to alleviate putting stuff everywhere else in the boat. Plenty of room here to sit and just enjoy a casual pleasure day on the water. And notice the nice captain's chair here. You've got a nice Simrad GPS chart plotter here with your Fusion stereo, your controls right here at your fingertips, tilt wheel. You've got a glove box area right here. You put your valuables in, storage up underneath here. Also, what's nice is if you get in any inclement weather, rain or cold wind, you can close this off. Plenty of shading here in the cockpit with a nice bimini top. And then of course you got your forward seating up here, and it's with the insert that you can lounge and lay down when you're out there. Has the snaps around here, so you can actually has a tonneau cover where you can cover this up for storage. But folks, this is a great boat, great pleasure boat for hanging out the island, the sandbar, going to have lunch, dinner, going watching the sunset. So it'd be my pleasure to show you this boat. Come by and see me. You can reach me directly here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach by calling me at 850-596-8108. And let's get you out on this boat and see how awesome memories you can make on the water.